All right, fucking go. Okay, so in key alts, we have a system right here that we studied in a previous video, and we have some variable declarations. A26 is a zeroed out ASCII key. Alt procedure is a procedure associated with the ASCII key, or a 0 through 9, which is not supported yet. 0 through 9 is not supported, only A through Z. Okay, so we're going to use this function right here to detect A through Z key press. And it's going to return 0 to 25 inclusive if we get an A through Z key press. Alt procedure is a negative invalid value to start. Okay, so right now, if A26 is a valid value, then we're going to use this lookup table with A26 to get out the alt procedure. And as long as the alt procedure is greater than or equal to 1, we're going to figure out what to do. 0 for the alt procedure is reserved for our do nothing function we're not going to handle here. We're going to log out a message saying that we found a procedure, and if the alt procedure is keyalt's mode game, then any game is going to behave as a game. If the alt procedure is keyalt's mode eddy, then the game is going to behave as an editor. Or I should say the program behaving as a game, program behaving as an editor, unknown procedure, fucking crash. We're going to return alt proc here, so this function returns a positive value on successful handling. Okay, in key mask, within key mask down, we've cleaned up this section a little bit with the ATF wrapper, and then here's some variables. KMD key hand was a key handled for the key mask down function. Did we do a Konami code? Did we do a key alt procedure? Handle some default bullshit. And if the key has not yet been handled, we're going to try the Konami code. And if the Konami code worked, then the key is handled. If the key has not yet been handled, we will try the alt key. And if the alt key was recognized, then the key is handled. Now, if the key is not yet handled, then we're going to do all of this kind of stuff that we were doing in previous videos, right? So we changed this wrapper, though, right? This was originally labeled no Konami code. Now it is double labeled as no nothing key, right? And now instead of saying did Konami right here, or did Konamic, this is now KMD key hand. So originally it was did a Konami, right? So we see did a Konami. We had to change that to KMD key hand. So there's a little refactor here, and then down here we refactored this commentary here and added this other divider. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so we need to get the fuck out of here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Source code. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. Like, subscribe, and follow.